So I hope you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be filling you in on a little secret today. I'm going to be telling you what I use to get those Khloe K beachy loose waves. I have so many questions about this on a continual basis. What do you use to get those gorgeous loose waves? What styler is it? I thought I'd sit down and do a video all about it and show you while I'm here how I sort of get a super glam look at the same time, because as you guys know, I recently got my extensions back in. I've now got tape extensions in. However, just lately when I've been getting extensions, I've been having a lot less hair just because I used to get so much hair. I'm talking like 300 grams of hair I used to get, and as much as I love that look, like I really do, it can just be so time consuming washing wise, styling wise. So yeah, I've significantly reduced that now, and I have like less hair put in when I get tapes or micro beads, whatever it is. And then what I do tend to do is, if I do want that ultra thick glam like look, I just add clip-ins in, and it's so much easier, less hassle, and yeah, I love it. So I'm going to be talking to you about the clip-ins that I've been using as well. As you can see, they are a different colour, and that's because I just like to create that sort of tonal look. I don't like my hair to be like one block colour. Yeah, I also find that using clip-ins can also just mix your hair up as well, like give you a different look completely, and as you can see, it blends beautifully. But anyway, more about that in the video. Today's video is actually in collaboration with Hairtrade, which, if you guys don't know, they are an online retailer that stock beauty and hair products for men and women. They have so many different brands, so like Saint-Tropez, Babyliss, GHD. There is so many, so definitely check them out. Their details will be in the description below. But yeah, I'm not going to ramble too much, guys. I'm going to jump straight into this video and show you how I get this gorgeous hairstyle. So if you want to see how I've achieved this, then please continue watching. Okay, so the hair extensions that I'm going to be using from Hairtrade are the I and K hair extensions. So these are 100% Remy, which means it's 100% virgin hair. That's like the best quality hair that you can get. So if you're going to ever get extensions, you always want it to be that ideally, because that just means as well that they're going to last a hell of a lot longer. If you can look after these, keep them in good care and condition, try and avoid using too much heat, treat them like you would with your normal hair. And like I said, if you do look after them, they can last you up to a year, which is obviously amazing. So yeah, like I said, I will leave all the details to these hair extensions in the description bar below. So yeah, these are the hair extensions that I've got and that I'll be using today and showing you how I pop them in and everything. These are in the shade P10/16. They're 18 inches. There's a big variety of colour range, so I'm sure that you'll find a colour just to suit yours. But yeah, these are really amazing quality. They feel so soft. Clip wise, you get 2 pieces of just the 2 clips. You get 2 pieces of the 4 clips, so a bit of longer clips, and then you get 4 pieces of the 3 clips. So you do get a lot of hair, so that will give you a nice full head. Obviously I've already got extensions in, I've got tape extensions already in, so you know, clip-ins don't have to be just to add length, they can be for that extra added volume as well. And my hair without extensions, you guys will know, is now short and very fine, so you know, just to have this amount of extensions isn't always the thickness that I want. So yeah, I do like just add extensions now and again. Also, these aren't exactly like 100% colour match, and that's because as well, you can just add extensions just to add like highlights into your hair and just to like run some different colours through your hair. So you can also use extensions in that way as well. So yeah, that's a little bit about the extensions. I'm now just going to quickly show you how I pop them in. Okay, so to begin with, I'm going to be taking the 2 4 pieces of extensions. So this is what they look like. They just have clips attached, which you just simply just crack down onto your hair. So I'm going to put these in. So just sections my hair, I always like to apply my clip-in extensions in sections. It just makes life so much easier. Admittedly, I'm not the neatest at sectioning my hair, but it still just helps me a hell of a lot to organise my hair extensions when I'm clipping them in. So I'm going to take the 2 4 clip extensions first. Just simply, please ignore the hair colour of these, by the way, because I do know they are different colours, but like I said, they will blend in. So I'm just simply cracking them down, then taking the 2 outer ones, and then again just sliding them in, cracking down, simple. So that's all nicely in, and then just straight on top of that I'm going to apply the next 4 1, and then we're going to take this piece and just let that go over it. Okay, so once you've put the 4 pieces in, I'm then going to pull the other sections just around my hair this way to bulk out the hair and make it thicker this side. We've got the back done now. Them 4 pieces are like good to go for the back, and now I'm going to bulk out the rest of my hair with the littler pieces. So yeah, please excuse my messy section. Just gonna let that hair down so you can just see. So although these extensions are a slightly different colour, as you can see I've just popped that bit of hair over it and it's just blending really nicely. It's just, you know, adding like some highlighty effect to my hair. So that's looking good so far. I'm then gonna take a 2-piece and just pop this at the front. I feel like we need a few more like highlights at the front of their hair. Just gonna hide that under there and let that drop. Okay, so I've got one last 2 pieces to pop in this side. I'm actually not going to section this bit. I'm just going to take it under my hair and just place it towards the back because I feel like it could do with going there. So yeah, as you can see, this is a side with the sort of like highlights in and the extensions, and this is the side without. So I'm just going to go away and do this off camera and add the resting because I don't want to bore you too much. Okay, so all the extensions have been applied and my hair is definitely looking a lot thicker and fuller, which is great. But I now need to style them because at the moment my hair's not looking too great because I just shoved it in and I've not done absolutely anything to my hair. So my preferred method of styling my hair, as you guys will probably know, is curling. I absolutely love to curl my hair. Saying that, I have actually been wearing my hair poker straight a lot lately, but in general my preferred go-to way of styling is always curling. So I get you guys asking me a lot about how I curl my hair, how I get them beautiful loose waves, and honestly this is what you need. This is the go-to product. So I actually got sent this from Hairtrade a good few months ago now and I've been using it ever since. It's honestly replaced my last wand and curler that I was using. I just can't even tell you how good this is. So it is the Babyliss Pro Spectrum. It's a limited edition ceramic wand with longer length barrel for soft glamorous waves, 25 heat settings. It's a 34mm barrel and it goes up to 200 degrees. Honestly guys, if you want them Khloe K waves, them loose gorgeous curls, you know, even the ones that you see on the shorter hair, this is what you need. I did mention this in a previous hairstyling video that I used, so I'll list that below if you want to check that out, because I did use this on my shorter hair and showed you how to get them short loose curls on shorter hair. So yeah, that'll be in the description if you want to go and watch that. I always think you know a good curler when you go to the hairdressers and your hairdresser is using it on your hair, because I actually went to Graham not long ago to get my hair done, and when he curled it, he used this curler. I was like, no way, I've been using that lately, like, and he was like, oh my god, it's so good, isn't it? So yeah, you always know a curler's good when your hairdresser's got it, and he had this. So yeah, definitely recommend this, and like I said, you can get this from Hairtrade, which I will leave the link in the description bar below. It's really great, like I said, because it has heat settings, so I've obviously arched mine up to the highest one, and what I particularly like about curlers is when they have a cold end. So as you can see, it's just got plastic on the end, and it just sort of like, I had this temptation of always when I'm curling my hair, like, lean my hand on the end of the curler, and I hate it with a passion when curlers do not have that like cool end on there. You also do get a glove, but I never use gloves. So yeah, I'm going to show you now how I curl it. Okay, so I'm just taking, obviously this is my natural hair at the moment, so I'm just going to take this section first. I would normally section my hair off for curling, but because I've put the clip-ins in last, it's going to be a bit of a nightmare to section now, so I'm just going to go through and not section my hair. But a good little tip to do with your clip-ins is maybe curl your own hair first, curl your clip-ins, then add your clip-ins that way, and then you can like push through the curls, and yeah, that one saves you a little bit of time sometimes, and also it's just an easier way. So I'm pretty sure if you've watched my short hair tutorial using this, you will know how I curl my hair. Really simple guys, so it's on super hot, so you've got to be careful. Use your glove if you haven't used these styling tools before, but I've used these for years, so I don't know, I don't really tend to burn myself anymore. Saying that, I'll probably burn myself today. But yeah, you just want to put the wand behind the hair, so we're going away from our face, and just simply wind the curl around. I sort of leave, you see how there's that little bit of straight section at the end? I leave that little bit straight because I just like that sort of like wavy look, and sometimes when you go the whole way around the hair, it's like more curly. So yeah, I always like to leave that sort of little straight bit at the end. But yeah, leave it on for like 20 to 30 seconds. These are really hot, so you don't need a lot of heat on, and then just drop. And as you can see, you've got that beautiful wave. Let me just show you that. And can you see I've already obviously started to curl some of the extensions, the clip-in extensions, and you've just got that beautiful range of colours all together. So yeah, I'm just doing the exact same with the next piece of hair. Because it is quite a big barreled curler, you can use bigger chunks of hair. You don't have to use little thin sections. I just take different sort of varied sections of hair, but in general quite thick sections. But if you do take thicker sections, then do just leave it on for a little longer, just so it does really curl them. Another tip that I'm just going to suggest to you guys whilst you are curling your hair is to just take your hairspray and spray as you go along. I don't leave my hairspray until the last thing. Obviously apply loads more hairspray when I've finished, but as I'm going, I do just like to just take my curls and just spray like that, so that they aren't going to lose too much of their curl, because we will be brushing a little bit out later. Okay, so from that you should have got the general gist. It really is so simple, guys. So I'm not going to bore you and sit here and do the rest of my hair. I'm going to fast forward this now and come back to you with all of my hair curled. Okay, so that is all of my hair curled. As you can see, there is just so much hair. It looks so amazing. I don't stop there. I don't like to keep it like this. It's clearly not finished yet. So I'm just simply going to take hairspray again. Just spray all the curls. We just obviously really want them to lock in and hold. Oh my god, I think I swallowed that. And then we're just going to lightly, just sort of lightly brush through. You can use your hands for this and just sort of pull the waves through however you want. But I want it a little bit more looser. So as you can see, from that side to that side, and just do the same on this side. I also just like to backcomb this a little bit. And like I said, just really run my brush through. I'm just going to take the hairspray again. Yeah, this is the finishing look. So just a really nice full lock of hair with nice loose waves running through them. I absolutely love these extensions, you know. It does make a real nice change just to add some extensions to your hair. I know I already have extensions, but my hair feels ultra thick now, so you're getting that ultra thick collab. And not only that, but it's also just added a different colour to my hair. So it's really giving that look that I've had like highlights put through my hair when actually I've not. So yeah, I absolutely love them. I must say they are a really, really nice quality of extensions. So if you are looking just for some extensions, just to, you know, add some thickness, add to length, I definitely recommend these. Yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I really, really hope you have enjoyed it. I have got a coupon code for Hairtrade, which I am going to leave in the description bar below. So make sure you check that out. I believe it's for 20% off. So yeah, have a look in the description bar and check that out. I will leave all the information about the hair tool, the extensions, again in the description bar below. Really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.